We got Popeyes. Hey y'all, welcome back to another mukbang. It's been a long time. We are back in full effect. Say, ooh, she got chicken, y'all. We got mashed potatoes and gravy with chicken and biscuits. Ooh, is it good? I'm about to give you the drumstick. She ain't even had no chill, y'all. I'm gonna give her the drumstick. She trying to eat the chicken leg. Hold on, let me give you the. Here. You get the. You get this crispy chicken. She trying to feed herself today, y'all. She's trying to feed herself. Alright, y'all. So we got mashed potatoes, like I said. Yum, yum, yum. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and share and like so we can try to get the 1K. Oh, don't dig your hand in there, girl. Yum, yum, yum. You want to dig your hand in there? Let me give it to you. Ah! Vina! You got... She's trying to do a messy thing today. Oh, don't sling them everywhere. Y'all, she not... I guess I'm not feeding her fast enough. She is not playing. Don't sling them taters. She is not playing, y'all. I'm trying to feed her, and homegirl is. She's like, you taking too long. Yum, 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 yum. Now we gonna be tatered up. Tatered up. Let me see. Now I'm gonna get you chicken. Oh, you want this? Oh, she wants the spoon back, y'all. My bad. She must really like these taters. Is it good? Is it yummy? Stay yum yum. And we got y'all like, what in the world's going on? She wanna have a messy bang today, seriously. You know what? She's taking over. This her mukbang today. Trying the biscuit. What you think? Really? Is that good? Yummy. She is not playing, you guys. So you definitely like Popeyes. You like Popeyes? You try chicken? Chicken biscuit? Ooh, crispy. I guess I eat the crumb. She is going in, you guys. Make sure y'all like and share this video So cute. You're just greedy today, girl. You're greedy today. Yes, you're greedy today. Ooh. See you burp in my face? How dare you be so disrespectful. Ooh. Look what I have. And then we have strawberry lemonade to top it off. Oh, she didn't even need. You got it? Oh, get the crust. The skin is the best part. Crispy. Amina mukbang. Biscuit. I'm surprised she is really eating this Popeyes today, you guys. She's really enjoying her meal. I do have a crispy wing that I have. Let's see if she'll let me eat this. No? Definitely good. Fresh. Thumbnail. Mina, get your foot down, girl. You're doing a little too much today. Want some lemonade? Don't spit that out, though. You have to swallow that. I want you to backwash. Let me drink some more first. Can I see your chicken? I don't want to eat it. I just want to make sure you bite the right side. Never mind. She's not going to let me do it. Y'all, she is eating so good. Can I get a bite? Can I get a bite? Hey. Mina. Can I get a bite? You got chicken crumbs all over me. And mashed potatoes. Definitely mashed potatoes. What you looking at? Mina, can I get bite biscuit? Can I get bite? Eat. Can mommy eat biscuit? Can I get bite? Can I get bite? I'm sorry, I just want a little bite. I just want a little bite of your biscuit. I love you. I won't take no more bites of your biscuit, okay? Okay? I won't. I promise. She's like, don't do that again. She definitely did not like that. Comment down below if y'all thought, if y'all think she didn't like when I took a bite of her biscuit. I am going to be uploading on this channel me and Amina mukbangs very often, if not every day. So if y'all ready for the content and ready to see these mukbangs, y'all comment down below, let us know. And make sure y'all, like I said, like and subscribe. And it's gonna be me and baby Mina. Cause I was like, this is my last baby, you guys. Ooh, windows, we got air, baby. We already got air. I was like, this is my last baby, so she's home with me pretty much all day. She doesn't go to daycare. I don't believe in daycares. So crazy people out there. I mean, to each his own. Some people still put their babies in daycare, but I just don't trust them, and I don't want my baby in daycare. So I said, why not? I was doing mukbangs by myself on this channel, but I was like, why not me and my baby? She's eating now. She has like 8 teeth. I think 8 teeth. So I was like, hey, y'all want to see baby Mina eat? She likes to eat. So just like her mommy. So we will definitely be dropping these mukbangs for y'all. Ooh, juicy chicken. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, she biting the right side too. Okay. I see you, girl. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. And I'm surprised she reached for this drink yet. She's really just enjoying her food. Got some potatoes too. Potatoes? You're gonna need some drink after that. You eating that biscuit, I'm surprised. You need some drink. You're gonna need some drink, girl. After you swallow that, mommy gonna use some lemonade to wash it down. What? What is it? The only thing she said right now is Dede. She's not saying anything else but Dede. Eat. As much as she like to eat, she needs to learn how to say eat. Lemonade. Ooh, she's back washing. I'm definitely done with the lemonade. All your mashed potatoes and chicken. This is your drink, my girl. Oh, is it good? You take a break yet. Ooh. You like it? Yes, she is definitely. Now let me get a bite of this last piece of chicken. So in our mukbang. You got chicken. No. She said no more drink. I was trying to help her.